Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And yes, 8th of April has arrived and I first want to wish Allu Arjun a very happy birthday. And yes, he's a fellow Aries, so I have a soft spot because my birthday is also coming this week. And I do not want to delay this reaction any further. I'm extremely excited to look what this 2.5-minute video consists, because this is just like an announcement video. So Allu Arjun's next film is with Atlee, and it says that gear up for AA22XA6. So Atlee's sixth film as a director and Allu Arjun's 22nd film. So produced by Sun Pictures, and I don't want to delay this any further. Let's watch this video right away. Okay, Sun Pictures office. There you go. Alright, birthday boy. Ellie? Hollywood? Wait, I know that company, Lola VFX. Did I read that right? I know this because they are the ones. I think Lola was one of the VFX companies that did, because I researched it. I was so interested at that time when Avengers Endgame came. So I was like, who freaking did the VFX for that? I need to know. It was there was a long list of all the VFX main VFX companies, and I think Lola was one of them. So that's how I remember. Okay, so something big is cooking. I think even Spectral, for that matter. What? Okay. What's going on?
I just got done reading the script and I gotta say my head is still spinning.
Sorry guys, I'm pausing because I want to see the name and the VFX supervisor director. G.I. Joe, Iron Man 2, Transformers. Okay.
Reading the script and I gotta say my head is still spinning.
Oh, there you go. See? Black Panther.
You read the script, what did you think about it?
The script is seriously unlike anything I've
Spectral.
ever read.
You read the script, what did you think about it?
The script is
Academy Award nominee. Okay. President, Artistic Director, Spectral Motion, Pacific Rim, Avengers, Infinity War, Fantastic Four. Okay.
seriously unlike anything I've ever read. It is the best of the best of what I would ever want to create.
Okay. Okay.
It's amazing, yeah, right? So it's just the action, and it's just like one thing after another after another.
I like that.
I'm like, oh my God,
War
oh, wow,
Machine
wow.
outfit.
Reading through it, very excited about all the creature potential.
I'm pausing because I want to see who.
Very
So, Academy Award winner. Oh my goodness.
excited about all the creature potential, all the different character potential.
I cannot wait to be a part of this. I can't wait to see what his vision does. The story is unbelievable.
Co-owner Lola VFX. Deadpool, Wolverine, Mission Impossible, Stranger Things. Yeah, Stranger Things as well. What is going on? That is crazy. I am all geared up. But when? What? Okay, that was... unexpected, but that was so incredible. Oh, that probably is one of the best gifts that Allu Arjun would have given right now to his fans. Okay, let me stop this. I'm like, my head is spinning with all this info. Okay, no way. That is... Okay, what was that? I feel I've watched something so iconic that I cannot fathom my reaction in words, like in proper sentences, because I was so overwhelmed looking at this, and I thought to myself, what is it going to be? Are we going to get like a full-on fantasy film with the crazy VFX? Because you see that they're doing the motion capture and everything. So they're going to be creatures and this and that, and the potential. You are meeting like the best of the best VFX studios of Hollywood. Like, these are the guys who have made, these are the studios who have made some crazy stuff for Hollywood films, and you know, the results are there for us to watch. So it means that this film probably needs that level of VFX. There's going to be crazy action, because one of the guys, he said that, oh my god, is this, you're talking about just the action? And the potential, one of the guys was saying that the potential of this is just unbelievable. I'm here thinking and scratching my head and wondering, like, of what level of a film you're gonna make. And you know, with Atlee, he's always thinking larger than life. It is always like his canvas is always grand, like the grandeur, the grandiose of things, of looking at things from that lens. Atlee is that director. Atlee is not like, oh, I'm gonna make something very rooted or grounded. The groundedness might come from the emotion, but the visuals and the world around that storyline or that emotion or that basic raw human emotion is always very, very grand. It's something like Avatar. I know a lot of people call it Avatar, but for us Indians it is Avatar, guys. Anyway, I used to also initially call it Avatar because everybody was calling it Avatar. But I'm saying with Avatar, the whole world is crazy. The visuals, the epic grand scale. Pandora was a world that was just created out of James Cameron's mind, right? But the basic storyline or the basic emotion of that story is good versus evil. You know, having that empathy, saving the nature, saving the resources, how important it is, right? So the story is rooted in very basic emotions, but the world is very grand. And I think Atlee is that kind of a director who thinks in that direction. I'm not comparing director to director. I'm comparing vision. I'm comparing the vision. So his vision is always to see things in a very, very larger than life way, and not a lot of directors do that. Like in our country, they're attempting, but point is, somebody who has actually achieved this kind of feat is definitely Rajamouli. Like whatever he has envisioned, or in Hindi, say Sanjay Leela Bhansali, right? But I would still say Rajamouli, because he imagines his world in epic proportions. So that's what I mean, and I think Atlee is right now trying to attempt the same thing. Great to see Allu Arjun and Atlee team up together. Great to see that we are getting something absolutely out of this world. I would love if this is a fantasy film. You know, we get these magical creatures. I want a fantasy film. I want an epic fantasy film. Yes, with all these, with the hero and all the magical creatures. It's a completely different world. It's a completely different land. It needn't be on Earth. Like, let's make some imaginary world up and make a movie on that world. I would love if that sort of thing gets attempted. This is what I feel. This is my speculation after watching this whole bit. You guys can let me know what are your speculations and what are your thoughts. Like, what are you expecting this to be? I do not want this to be a period piece. I do not want this, oh, this is a period drama, because you see that one sword thingy coming up, but I want it to be a fantasy drama action piece. That's what I want. That's what I feel this is. You guys let me know, what do you think that this could be? And yes, I totally am, like, I'm superbly excited. I'm like thoroughly excited after watching this. So yeah, that was my reaction, guys. Those were my thoughts and my speculations after watching this. And I hope Sun Pictures does not block the reaction video, which I'm gonna post, otherwise I'll have to blur the whole thing out. But on an ending note, wishing this whole project good luck, and I hope we get an exceptionally well crafted and visually spectacular film. Whenever it is, I'm geared up, but whenever they choose to announce this officially in terms of the title announcement and whatnot. And wishing a very happy birthday to Allu Arjun. That's it. That was the reaction. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I'm going to sign off now, and I will see you soon on my next video. Bye.